Good afternoon, students. Previous class we have learned about local time, and we have also studied about Greenwich, what is prime meridian. We'll recall it again before going ahead. See here, what is the latitude? Latitude means these lines. It is called latitude lines. And longitude means from south pole, so from north pole to the south pole, these lines are going curved lines, that is called the longitude. See, it is the west direction, this is the east direction. Earth rotates from west direction to the east direction. Okay, earth rotates from west to east and continuous, it is spinning. So here, suppose it is a prime meridian. Prime meridian is also called Greenwich time. That is always which it is a 0 degree. And the distance between these two longitudes, is 15 degree that we have learned. So let's continue. Next, see here another chart is there. In class standard 7 we have learned about different time zone, not time zone, zones are there, that is equator, temperate zone, torrid zone, frigid zone. So these are the zones of by their climatic condition. It is division of a zone, and that we have studied in standard 7. West direction, east direction, north and south, and these are the poles. As we have seen, earth is tilted by 23.5 degrees. Tilted means it is somehow tilt. It is not fixed in a center, and that's why it is moving, it is rotating from west to east direction like this. Earth is tilted by 23.5 degree. And if the sun is here, always we are seeing that the sun rises at east direction. So the east direction faces the sun first, then the west. Earth moves from west to east, so the east direction come in front of the sun first. Okay. And one more thing, here it starts sunrise, then when earth rotates it comes midnight over here, then it moves to sunset, and then here the midnight. When the midday is here, opposite direction, exact opposite direction of the earth, we can experience the midnight. So continue the lesson. Standard time. Can you tell? Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude. Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. Find the difference between the longitudes of these two cities. That is, see, Mumbai and Kolkata, it is in India, and the Mumbai is located at 73 degree east direction, and Kolkata is located at 88 degree east direction. So the 88 degree minus 73 degree is equal to 15 degree. The difference between Mumbai city to Kolkata, it is 15 degree. See here. Suppose it is the map of India, for example, and Mumbai is located here, Kolkata is located here. The difference between these two cities, one longitude, and that is of 1 degree, 15 degree. 15 degree means 1 hour. So difference between the time of Mumbai and Kolkata is 1 hour. See, earth has a spherical shape, as we have seen. 0 degree, whenever the longitude faces the sun, it is exact overhead of that places of that region, that is the midday. It is called 0 degree and noon. Whichever longitude comes here, it means it is a midday or noon. And exact opposite of the earth. See here, if we cut this part, we'll get two separate parts. and it is a spherical shape, and exact opposite opposite of this prime meridian there is a 180 degree, and it is there will be midnight at that time. Why? Because the sun rays can't reach over here. Let's continue now. Geographical explanation. So, if the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what would be the local time at Kolkata? As we have seen, the Mumbai is located at east. It is 73 degree east, and Kolkata is located at 88 degree east. So, Kolkata will come in front of the sun first, then the Mumbai. So here the difference of the 1 hour behind the Mumbai, and 1 hour ahead from Mumbai is Kolkata. And so here the difference of 15 degree between these both cities. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but on different longitudes. Their local time differ by 1 hour. If there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal difference, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country if each one follows their local time. Discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business in the country. Therefore, generally the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for the country. This standard time is used all over the country. See here, one standard time. India is a one country, and if we will not consider a single time for the whole country, there will be discrepancy or misunderstanding in the time. There will be confusion in time. Why? If the meeting is fixed online, or meeting is fixed, and suppose time is given in Mumbai is 4 and here it will be 4, so 1 hour difference we will face here, and there will be confusion in a time. So for a one country they have fixed a one single time. Why? Because the difference between this local time. With the respect to the business at a global level, there should be compatibility between the standard times of various countries. The facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. These time zones have been created with the reference to the prime meridian itself. Normally, if the difference between the longitude extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered for the country. But the longitudinal extent, east to west extent, is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such a countries more than one standard time zone are considered. See here, India is a one country and it is in a two longitudes means 30 degree. Okay, so it is considered that the one single time can keep for the one country that are in a two longitudes. But if the country like Canada, Russia, their longitudinal extent is more than 2, so there were the many different time zones are there. Why? Because Canada has a 5 or 6 longitudinal extent, that much area, and because of that one single time can be considered over there. Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time IST has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 inches east longitude, which passes through the Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. The longitude passes through the middle of the country with a reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time at 82 degree and other places in the country. So this activity will see tomorrow, and here we can understand what is the standard time, and Indian Standard Time we will learn tomorrow. Thank you.